In this video I am going to discuss some important questions from lines and angle. Very first question: in the given figure, L parallel M and T is a transversal cuts them. If A angle 1 ratio angle 2 is to 3, find the measure of each of the marked angles. As you observe in figure, L and M are parallel lines, T is a transversal. Here we get 8 angles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now angle 1 plus 2 equals to 180 degree. Linear pair of axiom, as we observe, AB is a straight line, so 1 plus 2 180 degree. Here the sum of ratios 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Therefore angle 1 equals to 2 by 5 into 180 degree. We multiply the ratio of angle 1 and divide by 5. So finally we get 36 into 272 degree. Similarly angle 2 equals to 3 by 5. Finally we get 3 into 36 equals to 108 degree. From figure we observe angle 2 equals to angle 4, angle 4 equals to angle 6, and 6 equal to 8. 2, 4 vertically opposite angle, 4, 6 alternate angle, 6, 8 again vertically opposite angle. Therefore angle 2 equals to 4 equals to 6 equals to 8 equals to 108 degree. Similarly we can write 1 equals to 3 equals to 5 equals to 7 equals to 72 degree. Now the next question: for what values of x will the lines L and M be parallel to each other? As you observe in figure, L and M are two lines. If these lines are parallel, then angle 1 equals to angle 2. These are corresponding angles. Given L parallel M, angle 1 equals to 2 corresponding angles. So 3x plus 25 equals to 4x, or 25 equals to 4x minus 3x, that is x equals to 25. That's okay. Question: in the given figure, AB parallel CD. Here we have to prove that VAE minus ECD equals to angle AEC. Suppose angle BAEX, CECDY and AECZ. Construction: draw MN parallel CD. As we observe in figure, MN parallel CD, angle 1 equals to angle 2, because CD parallel AB alternate angles, so angle 1 equals to angle 2 equals to 90 degree. From figure, MNCEA is a pentagonal. As we observe, MNCEA pentagonal. So the sum of all 5 angles, that is 90 plus Y plus Z minus 3, 60 minus X, equals to 5 minus 3 into 180 degree, that is 3 into 180 degree. Finally we get by adding 540 plus X plus Y minus Z equals to 540. Therefore Y plus Z minus X equals to 0, or Z equals to X minus Y, or we write X minus Y equals to Z. So VAE minus ECD equals to AEE. Proved. Now question number 4: in the given figure, AB parallel CD. As we observe, AB parallel CD. Now here this angle is R, this is Q, and this is P. Now draw MN perpendicular CD, MN perpendicular CD. Again here CD and AB parallel, show MN parallel to AB. From figure, MNZFE is a pentagonal. MNEFG is a pentagonal. So the sum of all 5 angles, that is 90 plus 90, 180 degree minus R plus P plus Q equals to 540. Or we get here 360 minus R plus Q plus P equals to 450. Or P plus Q minus R 450 minus 360, Finally, we can write P plus Q minus R equals to 180. In the given figure, AB parallel CD and a transversal T cuts them at E and F respectively. If EZ and FZ are the bisectors of angle BEF and EFD respectively, we have to prove that EFG, that is EZF, 90 degree. Now AB parallel CD, it is a transversal, so the sum of co-interior angle 180 degree. This is 2x plus 2y equals to 180 degree, or we can write x plus y equals to 90 degree. Now in triangle EFG, x plus y plus z 180 degree. The sum of angles of triangle x plus y equals to 90 plus z equals to 180 degree. Therefore z equals to 180 minus 80 equals to 90 degree. So EZF equals to 90 degree. Now we discuss the second figure. M and N are two perpendicular mirrors. CA incident and VD finally reflected. We have to prove that CA equals to VD. Now solution: PA perpendicular to M and PB perpendicular to N, as we observe PB to N and PA to M. Now now from the reflection law, angle 1 equals to 2 and 3 equals to 4. In triangle ABC, as we observe, that is 90 minus 3, 90 minus 2 plus 90 equals to 180 degree. Or we observe here 270 minus 2 minus 3 equals to 180 degree. Finally 270 minus 180 equals to 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 equals to 90 degree. As we observe, 3 plus 2 equals to 109. 3 plus 2 equals to 190 degree. 90 degree. Multiply both sides by 2. Finally we get angle CAV equals to AVD equals to 180 degree. This is a pair of co-interior angles, that is CA parallel to VD. That's it.